Hi students, so your assignment from your asynchronous day was to find your chapter 1 section 1 notes and then to complete the first 3 questions on lesson 1.1, which is called thinking spatially. And then you also needed to log into your textbook like we did last week, and you needed to read the information on page 12 to answer the 3 questions from that page, which you see over here on the left. So I just have the textbook up here so that you can see what it looks like. I'm not going to read through it because you already were supposed to read the text so that you could answer the questions. So number 1 said, what is spatial thinking? And after reading the information here on the text, your answer should be thinking about a space on Earth's surface, including where places are located and why they are there. So thinking about the space on the Earth's surface, spatially thinking how much space there is, where they're located, why they are there. If you did not have that as an answer, then you're going to need to go back into your notes and you're going to need to change that answer or add to that answer if you did not have the correct one. Moving on to ask geographic questions. So that's under that next heading there on our text. The question was, what might make a location significant? So significant means important. And what might make a location important? A couple examples that the textbook gives us are, it is a shipping center and an important discovery was made there. Those are things that might make a location significant or important. There are other things that might make a location significant as well. Perhaps it is the hometown or the birthplace of a U.S. president, or someone else who is very famous, or someone else who did something very important. Maybe it is significant because of a structure that is there. For example, in Australia, in Sydney, Australia, they have an opera house that's pretty well known around the world by what it looks like. So that's a significant location. Study geographic patterns is the next topic there. And what is a geographic pattern? It's showing similarities among places. So a pattern is something that happens over and over again, right? And so these are similarities. So for example, large cities tend to be built near water. And of course, that's because they are used for transportation and for other kinds of travel. And then also for fishing and for drinking, depending on what kind of water it is, of course. But we see a lot of major cities right on the water. So on the textbook here, it even gave us the example here that in Denver, Colorado, it's at the foothills of the Rocky Mountains, and Chicago, Illinois is on the shore of Lake Michigan. And so that's one of the 5 Great Lakes. So here is that example of being on a large body of water is a large city as well. So those are the answers that you should have written in your notes for those questions. And like I said, if you did not answer them correctly, then go in and make your changes. You will be submitting this to me later, so I will be checking to see that you did complete it.